Hey guys, Mandla here. Today I want to show you my secret EQ moves to any kick drum. Yes, you heard me well. To any kick drum. So the reason why I'm saying to any kick drum is because this will work 90% of the time. So quickly, I just want to go through. I'm actually busy mixing a single that's coming out soon. I'll show you in this single maybe how we can do it. Maybe first thing first is to solo my kicks. Um, and I'm gonna go off all the way. Let me just do this. Okay, all I have here is a smack attack, and what I have on the smack attack it's a preset live kick preset. So you can just go in and have it use that one if you have. And this is off for now. I'll deal with it later. Okay, quickly. My kick. This is how it's a kick in and a kick out. Basically, let me just do this. This is how they sound. Okay, so this is how they sound originally from the recording. Recorded pretty well, and the drama was quite good as well. So and I must stress that because that's one of the most important things that you need to make sure you capture well in the recording. You need to have the best drama. You also need to have your capturing done very well. But today I'm not talking about that. I just want to zoom in into the kick thing. So let me just solo the first one. Maybe I'll just solo the kick in first. So this is how it sounds. So usually what I do is I'll go and just go reset. I'm gonna reset everything here. So first thing I do with the kick is I cut. Most of the time I cut first, because sometimes as you cut, you'll actually notice that your kick starts sounding nice as you just cut it. So quickly I'm gonna cut, and my cutting points. Number one, I'm gonna go to like your between 300 and 250. Let's start from 200. Okay, it doesn't work. Sorry. There you go. Yeah, so between that 250 to 300, it's a bit of a problem for me all the time. Just by cleaning it, your kick starts sounding a little bit better. The other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add an EQ. I'm coming back to that SSL. So what I usually do is to cut this 900. This sounds horrible, like almost like a basketball thing. So what I want to do is cut it out, and your kick starts sounding good already. Now we can go to boosting. I usually boost here on a shelf. Oh, sorry, it's on a shelf already. So I'll just boost from 8K for that smack attack. I'll also boost around between 2.5K to 4.5K. You actually have a nice boost there. Like, depends on what you want, but it gives the kick the punch that it's needed. This gives the 8K gives the kick a little bit of brightness, but if you want the smack, more smack here, I love the 4.5, between 2.5 and 4.5. So I'm gonna go to the 4.5 one and see how it sounds. So yeah, as you can hear, it gives that kick. So now remember, I've got two kicks, kick in, kick out. So what I'll do is then, because I've got two kicks, I'm gonna show you my way. So I'll cut off on this. I'll just high pass filter this up until maybe like 100. Yes, I don't need any of the things, any of the bottom end here. I'll also do the expand. Let me see. Let's hear how it sounds. Yeah, I think I've dealt with the hi-hats a little bit. I'm okay with a little bit of the snare coming in. Now, let me go to my second kick. I'm gonna mute. Go to the second kick. This is how it sounds. And what I'll do here is just reset this. I'll probably have to reset it. Defaults. I'll go default. Okay, so what I do with my kick, I'm just gonna go number one. I'm gonna go below, yeah, 20. Also, what I'll do is I'll cut all my highs from this kick up until maybe like 100. Let's go. And then I'll boost around 50. Let's start on 50. Sorry, 50. Let's start on 50 and see how it sounds. And the other thing is, don't be shy on boosting. Just boost. If you're gonna boost. If you're gonna cut. We're not on the mastering stage yet, so get the kick to make it sound the way you want it to sound. So don't be shy on that. Okay. So what I'll do next is I'll then have to compress it harder. So compressing it here, again, I can actually just go here. Actually, let me do this. Remove this compressor, start afresh. So I'll go out mono. So there's a preset here called 808. I love it. It makes my life simple. So I'll go here. It's by this one, Michael Brewer. So go 808, and then I'll heavily compress this. Maybe I'm looking for like about 10 dB. 10 dB reduction. And then now what I'll do is then I'll mix them together now. Just to start them afresh. Let's go again here. So for me, that's basically what I do with the kicks. That's here with I'm gonna play with just drums alone. Obviously, you can see I'm not using the sample yet. I will talk about samples later. I just want to get the basic kick running first. So yeah, that's here in context. Yeah, so basically, for me, that's how I EQ my kick. I hope you I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe and like the videos. Thank you.